I leave behind as Chief of Staff two main strategic direction that
Which is?
the Internal Peace and Security Plan Bayanihan and the Army Transformation Roadmap.
Okay.
Bayanihan is our strategy to win the peace in Bayanihan. We present to our people a choice between continued violence that we have had for 45 years or peace and prosperity.
Yeah. And how do you make them choose peace?
We highlight the need for peace, the violence, for example, for 45 years, what has it done to our country? How many lives have been lost? How many future of the youth had been destroyed? How many families have been? And also the retardation that it brought to our country. And so we would like to highlight that. And we would like to highlight that yes, we have problems. We will never run out of problems. We are third world countries, but definitely the solution to our problems is not to fight each other. It's not to kill each other, but instead to join hands in the true spirit of the Filipino, the spirit of Bayanihan.
I wanted to ask you about you said something, is it the ATR?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me about the ATR.
The AFP Transformation Roadmap.
Okay.
It's our reform initiative. It's there are two things that we want to accomplish under the ATR.
Okay.
The development of our capabilities to perform our mandate, and that is through our modernization program.
Okay.
And secondly is the professionalization of our ranks. Professionalization in terms of good governance, doing what is right and what is correct.
That's why bidding is harder.
Yeah,
In a way,
yes.
Yeah.
Yes, we have to go through the process.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, and we want to be following good governance practices, and we want to avoid corruption. We want to avoid all of those malpractices in the past. Secondly, we would like to be non-partisan, professional being
non-political.
Non-partisan. It's what the armed forces, the military is an extension of politics, so we cannot avoid. But we have to be non-partisan.
Okay, that's well said.
While we understand politics, we have to be non-partisan. Then also adherence to human rights, international humanitarian law, and rule of law. Among others, these are the things that we want to achieve in terms of professionalization, not to mention that we have to be experts in our job, to be good at doing our job as military professionals.
All right. General Bautista, thank you so much, AFP Chief of Staff, for coming to the show. Much appreciated, and thank you. I know you are already retiring in July. You still have a few months, actually, to fulfill many things. This coming, I think, at least 3 or 4. You have 3 or 4 months, no?
6 months.
6 months, still half the year.